competition was. I am here with a new series on embedded systems and IoT. We are going to start a placement series on this topic. Let's go deep dive into the video. First of all, what is embedded systems and IoT? Look around you. Your phone, your smartwatch, your TV remote, your washing machine, your car. Almost every electronic device you see today is powered by embedded systems. But the sad reality is many ECE students study electronics for years without understanding where these concepts are actually used. Some students think embedded systems is difficult. Some students don't know where to start, and many students feel confused between embedded systems, IoT, robotics, and programmer. So, from today, every Sunday, I am studying a new series called Embedded Systems and IoT Placement Series. In this series, we will learn concepts from absolute basics with simple explanations, real examples, projects, and placement interview preparation. For understanding embedded systems, first let's understand what a system means. A system is simply a group of components working together to perform a task. Examples are fan, calculator, computer, traffic signal. Now, let's go one step deeper. That is, what is embedded systems? An embedded system is a specialized computing system combining hardware and software designed to perform dedicated functions within larger mechanical or electrical devices. Unlike laptops or PCs, embedded systems are not made for multiple general purpose activities. Let's look on the embedded systems examples, which is washing machine. Inside a washing machine, there is a controller that decides how much water to fill, when to rotate, when to dry. That controller is an embedded system. And there are many more examples like traffic signals, which automatically change in colors. Modern cars contain multiple embedded systems for braking, airbags, sensors, and navigation. Now, many students ask, what is not an embedded systems? A general purpose computer, such as a desktop PC, laptop, or server, is not an embedded system. Unlike embedded systems, these are not dedicated to single fixed task. Now, let's see why desktop computer is not an embedded system. Because you can browse internet, edit videos, play games, write programs. It performs many tasks, and laptops are also general purpose systems. They are not embedded systems. Now, let's move on to what is IoT. The Internet of Things refer to a network of physical things embedded with sensors, software, and technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. The simple examples include you can switch on a bulb using a mobile phone, that is IoT, and a soil sensor sends data to cloud. Smartwatch, your watch sending health data to your phone. Now let's move on to know what is the difference between embedded systems and IoT. An embedded system is a self-contained device designed to perform a specific dedicated task offline. But an IoT is an embedded system with internet connectivity, allowing it to collect, share, and act on data across a network. Up to now in this video, we learned what is an embedded system, what is IoT, and what are the difference between those two things. Now, the question rises, what we will learn in this series? In this series, we will learn everything step by step. what is Arduino, what is ESP32, UART, SPI, I2C, communications, sensors, MQTT, embedded C programming, real-time projects, and the most important placement interviews questions. Okay, it's fine, but why should we ECE students learn this? Today's world is becoming so smarter. Industries are rapidly moving towards automation, robotics, smart electronics, EVs, and AI devices. And behind all these technologies, there is one common skill, which is embedded systems and IoT. That's why these skills are becoming extremely valuable and most important giving opportunities for ECE students. Career opportunities if we learn embedded systems and IoT. You can work as an embedded engineer, firmware developer, IoT engineer, robotics engineer, and also an automation engineer. And also many more opportunities are coming forward in this fast growing world. Every expert was once a beginner. So don't worry if you are starting from zero. Just stay consistent. One video every Sunday, one step closer to success. If you like this video and feel it is useful for your future, please do subscribe to our channel. Next Sunday, we will meet with the interesting thing, which is the difference between the Arduino versus ESP32, which beginners should learn it.